In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to frame selection in Figma. Framing a selection means taking one or more layers you've highlighted and wrapping them inside a frame, which is a parent container with its own boundary. This is incredibly useful for organizing content, controlling positioning, and preparing layouts for things like clipping, layout grids, and auto layout later on. Start by selecting the layers or objects you want to include. You can do this right on the canvas by clicking an object, shift-clicking additional items, or dragging a selection marquee around them. If you prefer precision, you can also select layers from the Layers panel on the left. The key is to make sure everything you want inside the new frame is highlighted before you move on. Once your selection is ready, use the Frame Selection command. On a Mac, press Option plus Command plus G. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus G. The moment you do this, Figma creates a new frame that wraps around the selected elements. It doesn't change the appearance of your design, it simply places those layers under a single parent with a defined boundary. What you'll notice now is that your elements move together because they share the same container. The frame gives you a controllable box you can resize, position, and align. If you shrink the frame boundary, it can clip anything that extends beyond the edges, which is perfect for mock-ups, masks, or keeping messy content neatly contained. If you expand it, you create more space for the items inside without disrupting their relative arrangement. Think of a frame as the foundation for more advanced layout features. You can apply a layout grid to the frame to guide spacing and alignment as you design. And if you plan on making your content respond intelligently to size changes, you can later add auto layout to this same frame so items flow and stack consistently. Framing first sets you up for these capabilities without requiring you to reorganize later. A quick note on behavior. Resizing the frame changes the container's boundary, not the actual dimensions of the layers inside, unless you add layout rules later. This separation is helpful because it keeps your design stable while giving you precise control over the overall space. That's all there is to it. Select your layers on the canvas or in the Layers panel, then press Option plus Command plus G on Mac, or Ctrl plus Alt plus G on Windows, and your selection becomes a frame. Use it to organize, clip, and lay out your designs with confidence.